This is another Choetech QI wireless charging pad. Hi there folks, we've got a no frills delivery from Choetech here. This costs an unbelievable £13 and it promises to wirelessly charge your QI enabled device, whether that be an iPhone 8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus, Samsung Galaxy S7, 7 Plus, S8. I'm not even going to bother listing them all because I'm sure you know whether you have it or not. But for £13, being able to charge it would be a nice amount of money to pay. And what do you get? Well, you don't get a box, you get a bag, which is always useful for various things. Oddly, they're worth about 5p, to be honest. We have the wireless charging dock, we have a USB cable, we have a Choetech instruction specification-y thing. I'll show you that as well, which is a QR code for the Choetech's website. And this is it. It's covered in fingerprints, despite the fact I've never taken it out of the bag. Alright, so that's from the factory, I'm hoping, as opposed to this being a return that Amazon's chucked out at me without a box, because the person who returned it couldn't find the box. It did sell out just before Christmas, so it might be quite a popular product at the price. So on the back we have a micro USB connector. We have nothing around the sides. On the bottom we have the charging pad information, which is model number, and then the input, which is 5 volts, 2 amps, output 5 watts or 7.5 watts at the max, made in China. Grand. We'll just put that there. Then we have a micro USB cable, which is about 1.5 meters long, and it has a USB on the top here and micro USB on the bottom. Hook that up, click them together, and we're plugged in. No lights, no LEDs at all, which might be quite nice for beside the bed. Then place this on there. In the middle seems to work, and we're charging. And it says that at 63% it's going to be about an hour and 15 minutes till it's fully charged. Isn't that splendid? £14. Yes, you do have to muck around with it, I'm sure. We'll be able to knock it off charge by pushing it that way. Oh no, it's working down the bottom there, and then if we pull it this way, still no, there, it's lost device, or it's lost charge. Okay, we can swirl around a bit, put her on like that. Nope, lost it altogether. Best just keeping it to the middle to get it to charge, which isn't a terrible thing to have to ask someone to do, is keep it about that size for £13. There's no magnets. I did notice there that there's a hint of an LED at the bottom there. Yeah, I don't know if you can make that out just there. So, very simple, wireless charging pad becoming incredibly affordable. You can throw them anywhere, have them on your desk and work, whatever you like. Excellent stuff. Thanks very much, Choetech. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments box below. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up if you fancy, and other than that, take care.